Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota Ipsum. It has 42,181 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive. It comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing down at the bottom, 67,884. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 42,181. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.